You died. Bummer, isn't it? Too soon to do the things that you wanted to do and too late to regret it.
Who are you? Wait, how did I die?
Oh, I can't tell you. Point is, you're in the afterlife. The true afterlife. Just me and you in the middle of nowhere.
Fuck. I'm all alone. What the fuck do I do here?
Oh, this afterlife was specifically made to torture you as much as possible.
Wait, what?
You see, there are no gods, God, or black. It's just me. And torturing you is the most entertaining thing I could possibly do.
What?
The best part is, you can't do anything about it. I'm in control here. I'm basically God. You can't do shit. So what I'm going to do is go to the point of your life that tortured you the most, make you re-experience it, wipe your mind, and start this process all over again. No. Do you know what is Black Blizzard mean anything to you?
No!
I'm gonna make you redo it. I'm gonna watch over you. It's gonna be fucking great. Enjoy.
No!